I can't tell you guys how excited I was for my second video. If you guys want to see how I created this look, please keep on watching. As my hair is out of the way, so let's begin. To moisturize my face, I'll use a face serum. And never forget to moisturize your lips. It is time to prime your face now, so I'm using a silicone based primer. Make sure to press the primer in the T-zone area. It is time for foundation now. Oh, before that, eyebrows! I forgot to do my eyebrows in the last video, but never mind. Just draw hair-like strokes for natural look. Eyebrows are done, so back to foundation. Now mixing a very full coverage foundation. After brush, always go in with the beauty blender to make sure there are no brush strokes. Now to highlight the under eye area, I'll use a concealer. I kind of bring the concealer over the sides of my nose as well. Now set the concealer with the loose powder before it sets into your lines. Now I'll start to color my eyes with the perfect shade for fall. You'll love it. Starting with the transition shade. Now going on with a very warm toned brown and placing it all over my eyelid. Now taking a deeper brown shade and placing it on the outer corner of my eye and then blending it towards the inner corner. Now I am taking a bigger fluffy brush and blending all these mattes. Now I'm taking a mousse eyeshadow in a very deep brown shade and applying it on my lid area. It's quite coppery and brownish. Just don't drag and mix it with the matte eyeshadow. Make sure to blend every harsh line. Now take a shimmery golden shade and apply it on your brow bone and in your inner corner as well. And then start curling your lashes and apply mascara. Now to complete off the eyes, take the same warm brown shade and apply it on your lower lash line. Now clean the edges with the beauty blender. Not contouring my face today, so just bronzing it up. To melt all this makeup into your skin, go on with the fixing spray and let it dry. While the spray is still on your face, apply highlighter. Please make sure that you subscribe to my channel, follow me on Snapchat and Instagram. I'll mention my username on the screen or in the description box.